Hi there, and welcome to the December Mystery Box with Expressions Vinyl. If you don't know me, my name is Amy, and I am the blogger and content creator behind Leap of Faith Crafting. And I started my blog back in 2016 when I decided to pursue a more passionate career, just kind of on a whim. I decided that I was going to retire from my optometry career and start a little side hustle. And I started a blog and just wanted to showcase kind of all the stuff that I would make with my Cricut. Back then I was using Cricut Expression, I believe. It's been like 10 or 12 years and we didn't have software and there was no cartridges and all that kind of stuff, but I still loved making it and loved, making personalized gifts and decorations because I always like to do things on a budget and not spend a lot, and I would go places and be like, I can make that, right? So one of the places I loved to shop for all my vinyl needs was Expressions Vinyl. It was always one of those first things that I heard of when I got into my blogging and crafting career was get your vinyl and your needs at Expressions Vinyl. So I was super excited when they reached out to me and asked if I would help curate the December mystery box and make some patterns for you. And since it is December, we are doing all things winter. So we're going to do a lot of fun winter colors. I made a bunch of SVG files for you that are winter themed, and then some New Year's in there, and just some, general positivity of starting the new year. So I hope you enjoy those. I'll be with you for a few videos here, and the first one, we're just going to open our mystery box. So I haven't even opened mine. I'm so excited because I haven't seen actually what's in it, and making the patterns was totally new for me. It was a bit of a learning curve, so I'm excited to see how those came out. We're going to go through everything you get in your December box, so let's get into it. So excuse all the noise in the background. I will try to edit it out, but I have 2 dogs, 3 kids home, just like you. I'm in my living room. This is where I do my filming. So sometimes it gets a little loud. But let's open this box here. Okay, so in our box, we have our mystery box here. You can see down with, this is some of my vinyl cute little gnomes. If you know me, you know I love gnomes. I do a lot of gnome projects. Of course, I had to include that with this. So inside our box looks like this. So we have all of our project blanks here, and then we have 2 packages. One is the iron-on vinyl for HTV, and one is the adhesive vinyl. So let's look at what we have in the adhesive. Okay, so first you can see that they always include what's included in the box and the exact color of the adhesive vinyl and the HDV you will be getting, and then the blanks that are also included. And within each of them, they actually tell you what they recommend to use as your cut settings for a Cricut or a silhouette. So it just has the suggested ones, and these are just the starting points. Sometimes you have to kind of work with your machine a little bit and just make some easy cuts first just to make sure it's going to cut. But oh, how fun! Okay, so this is the one that I'm so excited about. Isn't he cute? So this is the winter gnome adhesive that you get, 12 by 12. And then, like I said, for New Year's, we're gonna do some New Year's stuff. So we have some black kind of confetti patterns here. And then for our third pattern, this is just called a blue frozen. Just kind of twinkly, pretty, sparkly blues and things like that.
And you're also getting the etched silver, a sterling graphite, and then some Oracle 651, the permanent vinyl in silver metallic, soft pink, white, and brown. And then 2 pieces of transfer tape that we're going to be using to attach our adhesive vinyl to our projects.
So this is actually an etched adhesive that you can put on like glasses and things like that to make some cute champagne flutes or things like that. Okay, so that is everything that you get in that adhesive pack. Like I said, you get 2 transfer sheets for our vinyl, and then the 3 patterns. Okay, so let's look at the HDV now. HTV, again, we get a sheet with everything that you're going to get in here. You're going to get a few patterned HTVs and then a couple easy weed sheets. So again, we are doing that Pretty Frozen pattern with the HTV. And then in case, like I said, you want to start working on maybe some cute New Year's projects or some even Valentine's Day, I have this pretty pink and peach plaid. And then we have...
So for the HTV in the Easy Weed, you are getting the Retro Mint, the Charcoal, the Pink, the Wicked Purple, and Periwinkle.
So these are going to be all of your pretty iron-on colors that you get. And then also included in the HTV is a pretty teal glitter mermaid blue HTV. Okay, so those are all your HTV patterns that you get. Okay, so let's move on to the blanks and see what we're gonna make with these. Okay, so in here we have, actually you have 2 chalkboard signs. So it says 2 on there. And these are super cute and super fun to decorate. And then they just stand up. And then they just stand up in there, and you could even go this way if you want. So this one we're gonna make a cute kind of coffee or hot chocolate station sign with the gnome. So that we're gonna do that, but again, you can use these for anything. And then we have some fun 4 different bookmarks that we're gonna decorate. So you have 4 of them with all the different tassels on there. And then you have a journal. Starting the new year, it's always a great time to have a journal. So we're gonna decorate the front of this with some iron-on vinyl. And then you have a tote that we're gonna use the HTV to decorate too. So HTV, heat transfer vinyl, and iron-on vinyl is the same thing. I kind of use them interchangeably. So if I say one instead of the other, it means the same thing. And that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking the one that needs the heat to be activated to put onto our blanks. Okay, so we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna do some step-by-step tutorials on how to make some of these projects that I have kind of outlined for you. But you can use any of the SVG files on any of these blanks. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. I'm excited. We're gonna have some fun and get to craft together. So stay tuned for my next video.